Cookbook and tablet nooks keep devices and print materials safe and accessible right at the prep area. Design a recessed tablet mount with a splashproof cover and a flush magnetic closure so the device sits protected but is easy to remove. Route power through a hidden conduit to an integrated charging outlet with a tamper-resistant cover and include a ventilation gap to avoid heat buildup. Build cookbook shelves with a forward ledge to stop pages from sliding and size shelves to accommodate large family hardcover cookbooks and standard paperback guides. Spacing shelves to allow easy removal without bending awkwardly. Add an adjustable reading light on a flexible arm mounted under the upper cabinet with both warm and cool white settings so recipes are readable without glare. Choose dimmable LEDs and place the switch where it can be reached with an elbow while stirring. Use moisture-resistant materials like marine-grade plywood or porcelain laminated panels in the recess and seal all joints with food-safe silicone to prevent mold and warping from steam. For multi-user families, design 2 separate nooks or a wide dual shelf so more than one person can view recipes at once without crowding the countertop area. Finally, plan for cable management channels and removable faceplates so outlets and chargers can be replaced or upgraded without cutting into cabinetry. People often mount devices too close to the stove, which exposes them to heat and grease, so place nooks outside the primary splash zone and use a splashproof cover. Another common mistake is choosing non-standard shelf depths that do not fit popular cookbook sizes, so measure your largest cookbook and add 1 inch of clearance front to back. A frequent issue is poor lighting that creates glare on tablets and washes out text, so use directional, dimmable LEDs and position them slightly forward of the screen plane for even illumination. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors, and contractors find work related to kitchen storage and integrated charging projects. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share plans, supplier recommendations, and real-world installation tips.